How to use Grok AI image to video generator. So it's basically a simple process. All you'll have to do is get your image ready, prompt ready, and it should generate as a video. But let's just go ahead and do an example. In our case, we're going to go here to the imagine option, and right here on the bottom, we're going to choose the video option. We're going to choose the aspect ratio to whichever we want, and to, oh, of course, the only options over here. So let's say a 9:16. We're going to go ahead and attach our image over here as well. So over here, we go ahead and upload our image. It's gonna go ahead and generate, and we can go ahead and customize it to whatever we want. In our case, we're gonna go for something simple. Let's just say it's a cat blinking. Like so, make it blink. A very simple prompt. That way it won't take that long. But it pretty much depends on you and what you want the video to be. And of course, it has to follow rules. So make sure it does that. So over here, we pretty much have a video to the image that we uploaded. So we can go ahead and choose which video we prefer. Once you have chosen your preferences, you can go ahead and edit the image, choose whichever options here. You can delete the video, edit image again. You can take a look at the image that you sent and what it turned into. But the download option should be right here. There's also a share link and a compose post. But most likely you want to download it, so just go ahead and press on the download option and it will go ahead and do so. So it's going to be downloaded right here directly. Then you can upload it whatever you want. But that is pretty much how you use Grok AI image to video generator. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.